Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There has been some reference to the improvement our economic situation also full stop. We find that we have made good progress in production full stop. We were faced equally with a difficult situation so far as cloth was concerned full stop. There was a deficit of food and there was also shortage of cloth full stop. I do remember the scene that we had to witness in several cities where people had to stand in for hours to gather for 2 yards of very ordinary cloth, but now the situation is quite changed full stop. We have produced much cloth and we are in a position to export cloth full stop. During the British period, we were required to import cloth, but now we are in a position to export cloth full stop. After partition, we were faced with the question of raw material, namely, cotton full stop. We had cotton mills, but cotton remained in Pakistan full stop. Even that problem has been solved full stop. We had placed before us a target for more production of cotton, and not only has that target been achieved, but it has been achieved in shorter period to the satisfaction of all people in the country full stop. New para. From this survey, sir, you will find that everybody should be convinced that we are making good progress in the realization of the objectives of the 5 years plan full stop. Then there is a reference that in several essential commodities we have got increased production full stop. This cannot be denied full stop. In spite of this increased production, I must admit, we have not been able to solve the question of unemployment, but if efforts are being made to ease the situation so far as this question is concerned full stop. New para. The main thing to which I would like to refer is that the president was pleased to say, and say very plainly, that so far as cottage industries were concerned, we have not been able to make good progress full stop. As a matter of fact, very little progress has been made full stop. If in this country we have to solve the question of unemployment, we must take, and take very seriously, to the development of cottage industries full stop. That alone will solve this problem of unemployment full stop. We want to increase production, but we want to take to such means for increasing our production as would be man absorbing, but we want to take to such means for increasing our production saving, as have been resorted to by the western countries full stop. That alone will solve our problem to a very great extent full stop. Exercise number 6 of All in One magazine, recorded by Saddam Chaudhary, Baba Farid typing and shorthand.